In this video, I'll show you how to create a plateau block transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition reveals the next clip using a step block style wipe, creating a geometric and modern scene change. It works great for documentaries, design-focused edits, presentations, and tech content. Let's get started. First, place your two video clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for Plateau Wipe, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Lift clip controls how much the outgoing clip moves. Increase the value for more movement. Decrease it for subtler motion. Lift clip B controls how much the incoming clip moves. Increase it for a stronger entrance. Decrease it for a softer reveal. Angle controls the direction of the plateau wipe. Change the value to adjust the wipe direction. Animate angle controls the movement angle during the transition. Adjust it to change how the wipe travels across the screen. Wipe feather controls the softness of the wipe edge. Increase it for smoother edges. Decrease it for sharper block shapes. Colorize controls how much color tint is applied. Increase it for a stylized look. Decrease it for a natural transition. Motion blur controls how smooth the animation looks. Increase it for more cinematic blur. Decrease it for sharper movement. Use a shorter duration for a fast, sharp wipe. Use a longer duration for a smoother, layered reveal. For best results, use this transition on footage with clean lines and strong compositions. And that's it. That's how you create a plateau block transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.